The playbook used by the gang that raided the Louvre Museum in Paris is being used by gangs right here in America. Men and women wearing neon vests with reflector tape and hard hats are everywhere. The vests are designed to make the wearer stand out, but robbers use them to do the exact opposite, blend in. And police fear that following the Louvre Museum robbery, copycat criminals will use the tactic more and more. Like the gang in Paris, these guys go unnoticed as they approach the home of a wealthy New York City jeweler. As they break in, an accomplice backs their getaway car into the driveway. Minutes later, the robbers climb into the back seat with $3.2 million in jewelry and gold in their backpacks.
They're hiding in plain sight. That's really what they're doing. Is no one's going to challenge you if you're wearing a vest because you think they're there for a purpose.
And this is the terrifying moment armed robbers wearing neon vests ransacked a jewelry store in Manhattan as a sales clerk cowers in the corner. And these two guys attract no attention as they stroll into a hotel in Tampa. 60 seconds later, they stroll out with an ATM. The tactic is also being used in home invasions. We sent Inside Edition safety expert Steve Carty into suburban homes posing as a utility worker.
I'm with the Water Commission. I'm with the Water Commission.
He could have been a robber, but homeowner after homeowner let him in. This guy did the smart thing.